Very good. Prim is holding her pencil and a book. Very good, Prim. And Winton too. And Yatan. Gus is there. Okay, Mina is here with us and Nicha. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, for today's lesson, it's about number patterns. And I hope everybody is ready now. If you have water, you can have your water. You can drink water anytime you want to drink. Okay, what number patterns do you see here? But before that, let us define what is number pattern. So in mathematics, number patterns are the patterns in which this number that follows a certain sequence. Okay, sequence. Now, example of number patterns. A while ago, I showed you the video about number patterns. So now let's discuss. So the pattern here is pattern of 3. So from left to right, the next number is obtained by adding 3. Okay, from left to right, as you can see here, the plus sign. Left to right. Left means it's growing. Okay, it's growing from 0 going up. So here 12 to number 15. So from left to right, the next number is obtained adding 3 by adding 3. Now from right to left, the number is obtained by subtracting 3. Okay, subtracting 3. If the number is from right to left, you can see here from number 15 going back to number 12, that is from right going to left. So that is minus 3, subtracting 3. Now note that in this pattern, the difference between any two consecutive numbers is 3. Okay. Now example of number patterns, pattern of 4. Now in pattern of 4, the same thing in pattern of 3. From left to right or from right to left. If the number is from left to right, it's obtained by adding 4. Left, number 16, going to number 20, that is left to right. So that is adding by 3. If the number is from right to left, that means the next number is obtained by subtracting 4. When we say subtract, that means minus. Okay, you can see here minus 4. But if from left to right, that is adding 4 or plus 4. Same thing, that in this pattern, the difference between any two consecutive numbers is 4. Another example. This pattern of 5. Same thing, from left to right, it is obtained by adding 5. And if from right to left, the next number is obtained by subtracting. Subtract is minus, adding is plus. So same thing, the difference between any two consecutive numbers is 5. Now next, it's very easy. You learned this one when you were in grade 2 and when you were in grade 1. So this one is pattern of 5. Pattern of 5. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry, someone came here in my classroom and asked. Okay, let's continue. Now from left to right, the next number is obtained by adding 25. Left to right, and from right to left, the number is subtracting by 25. So left to right, adding 25, right to left, subtracting 25. You can see here at the top, 25 plus 25 minus 25. Don't worry, later on I'm gonna give you examples. Okay, next here the pattern of 50. That means plus 50 or minus 50. From left to right, the number is obtained by adding 50, and from right to left, the number is obtained by subtracting 50. Same. Now here, let us complete the number patterns here. Okay, you can see here the number patterns in here: 66,750, and then 66,775. Next, 66,800, and then 66,825. Now, what do you think is the pattern here? What do you think is the pattern here? Now, here, as you can see here, 66,750 to 66,725, that is plus 25, right? Plus 25. This is increasing pattern, okay? It is an increasing pattern, and the next number is obtained by adding 25 plus 25. Pewa, stop writing, Pewa. So the missing number in this pattern is 66,825 plus 25. Now here, 66,775 plus 25 is 66,800. Now 66,800 plus 25 is 66,825. And here, 66,825 plus 25, the next number is 66,850. So you can see at the top here, the answer here is 66,850. Next example. Here 40,000, and then 39,995, 39,990, 39,985. What do you think is the number pattern here? Is it increasing or decreasing? Of course, the number is going down, okay, getting smaller. So the pattern here is decreasing. The next number is obtained by subtracting. When we say subtracting, it is minus, okay? Minus by 5. So the missing number in this pattern is 39,985 minus 5. Now before that, here we go. From 39,995 minus 5 is 39,990. Now 39,990 minus 5 is 39,985. And here again, 39,985 minus 5, the answer is 39,980. So the answer here is 39,980. Now, here we go. Let's try this one. Complete the number patterns. Letter A, 90,105, and then 90,155. Another pattern here, letter B, letter C, letter D, and letter E. Okay? Now, let's try to answer this one. And then later on, you will answer your book by yourself. I will give you maybe 5 to 10 minutes to answer your workbook later. Now, here we go. Letter A. What do you think is the next number? Is the number decreasing or increasing? If the number is increasing, that means you have to add numbers. Okay. Now here, what is the pattern here? The pattern here is plus 50. Plus 50. So the answer is 90,000 and 305. So this is the answer here. The answer here is 90,305. This is the pattern here is plus 50. How about here? Letter B, 90,390. And the next number is 10,393. Now the pattern here is increasing. Increasing means plus, okay? Plus, you have to add numbers. Now here, the question is, how many are we going to add here? So as you can see here, you will just add 3, okay? You will just add 3. So the answer here is 10,000, okay? 10,000 and so 399 plus 3, 399 plus 3 is 402. Next, letter C. This one is plus 4, okay? Plus 4. So the answer here is 14,460. Because just add 4. And next, how about here? Is it plus or minus? Is it plus or minus? What do you think? Captain, what do you think, Captain? 45,450. And the next number is 45,425. What do you think? Is it plus or minus? The answer here is 45,350. Very good, boy. Very good. Thank you. Now next, how about here? What do you think is the answer, Sky? Sky, what do you think is the answer? In letter D, minus 25. In letter E, is it plus or minus? Is it plus or minus? It is minus because it is decreasing. Now, the answer here is 99,835. Okay, 99,835. Now, here we go. Oh, the answer is still there. Now, I want you to answer your book, okay? I want you to answer your book. Get your book and answer it on page, okay? Page 11, okay? Recognize the patterns and find the missing numbers. Let me erase this one first. Now, I want you to answer these questions. Thank you so much. Very good, very good. Congratulations for those who are already done. Now, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. See you on Thursday. See you on Thursday.